The materials required are 2 sheets of paper, one Arduino UNO board along with cable, one ultrasonic sensor, one servo motor, few cables for connecting purpose, one pen outer cover. So this is a circuit diagram of the automatic toll gate system. Now I am preparing the base for the road. I am attaching the Arduino UNO board on the paper. Similarly, ultrasonic sensor and servo motor are attached on the paper. As per the circuit diagram, connections are made from ultrasonic sensor to Arduino UNO board. Now, I am connecting the power cable of the ultrasonic sensor to Arduino UNO board power pin. Now, the trig and echo pins of ultrasonic sensor are connected to 11th and 12th pin of Arduino UNO board respectively. Now, the ground wire of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to ground pin of the Arduino UNO board. Connection between Arduino UNO board and ultrasonic sensor is over now. Next, we will go to servo motor and Arduino UNO board connection. As per this circuit diagram, connections are made between servo motor and Arduino UNO board. Servo motor's output wire is connected to Arduino UNO's 13th number of pin. Servo motor's power wire is connected to 5 volts of Arduino UNO board and ground wire is connected to ground pin of Arduino UNO board. That's all. The connection between the servo motor and Arduino UNO board is over now. All the connections are checked thoroughly again. Now, using this pen outer cover, I am preparing the toll gate system. I am attaching that to servo motor like this. Now I am connecting the USB cable to the laptop and I am compiling the code and uploading the code. The code is already given in the description. Please follow the description. Now the project is ready. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.